Hi, this is Michael, back after about 10 days from attending my daughter's wedding. Welcome to the Donchian Channel Forex Trading Review for Thursday, September 6, 2012. It's now 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. 2 micros for the Euro-US dollar position remain open. This is highlighted in green. Today, an order was placed to buy 4 micros of the Euro-Yen. This is highlighted in dark blue. Here's the Euro-US dollar price chart. Yesterday, we were awaiting a big announcement from the ECB. So we closed 2 micros at 1.2605 just in case. We still have 2 micros open. The stop loss is now at 1.2483, which is 10 pips below the 6-day Donchian channel, as seen by the pink dot on the price chart. Here's the price chart for the Euro-Yen. The Euro-Yen has recently broken above the 21-day channel, and the ADX is green. So I've placed an order to buy 4 micros at 99.90. The stop loss is set at 97.88, which is 10 pips below the 6-day Donchian channel, as seen by the pink dot on the price chart. From the price charts, we can determine if a pair is trending because the ADX will be green. This trend review list shows those pairs today that have a green ADX. Also noted is the direction of the trend. Before we can choose a pair to trade, we need to determine the strength of the trend. The pairs that are trending are listed in the left-hand column. The center column shows the strength for each of the 8 currencies. The information from the center column is then reconfigured in the right-hand column to show the strongest and weakest currencies. In order to choose the pairs that have the highest probability of being successful, we match the 2 strongest and 2 weakest currencies in which to look for a trade. The currency pair must rate a 3 or greater on the trend strength chart. The pairs must also have a green ADX. The 4 pairs are listed here. Forex trading tip number 29, channel breakout trading. In trading tip number 28, we discussed trend trading. One way to enter a trend trade is by waiting for a channel breakout. A channel develops because the price oscillates between a high price and a low price. There are many different types of channels, but here we will primarily be concerned with sideways channels. Some of the channels used by traders are as follows: Donchian channels, support and resistance channels, price channels, pivot points, Person's pivots, Woody's pivots, Keltner channels, and standard deviation channels. My basic Forex trading system is based on Donchian channels. I've found that Donchian channels are an excellent indicator that a trend has begun. The 2 Donchian channels that I use for entries are the 55-day and the 21-day. Of course, as mentioned in one of my previous tips, the ADX must be green when the 21-day or the 55-day channel is broken. Below are the same examples used in tip number 28. The light blue line is the 21-day Donchian channel, and the purple line is the 55-day Donchian channel. In chart number 1 on the Euro-Yen, the entry was a break of the 21-day Donchian channel. This resulted in over 600 pips. In chart number 2, the US dollar-Yen, entry was at a break of the 21-day Donchian channel. This was a move of over 500 pips. And chart number 3, the Aussie-Swiss. The entry was a break of the 21-day Donchian channel, and this was a move of over 700 pips. Today's quotation is by Kathy Leon from her book, Day Trading the Currency Market. Although risk management is one of the simpler topics to grasp, it seems to be the hardest to follow for most traders. From past experience, I know this to be true. It seems when I had several successful trades, I always wanted to increase my position size, and when there were several losses in a row, I would tend to decrease the position size. I've found that this doesn't work and now maintain consistent risk per trade. By doing so, I've taken emotion out of my trading. Thank you for watching my daily review. Please post and share if you have any suggestions, comments, or any questions. If you'd like to have more detail on the trading strategy, please go to www.donchiantrader.com and request the free trading guide.